Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to download Incredibox Sprunki on iOS and Android. So first thing we're gonna do is go to Play Store or App Store, and then just have to type in Incredibox Sprunki. And then just have to tap on enter, and it will just show up. So it's this one, so just have to tap on install to download the application. Let's just wait for it to be downloaded. It'll take just a few minutes or seconds. As you can see it. Alright, so the application is already downloaded. So to play the video, just have to tap on start. So once you tap on start, you'll be greeted by a team of funky little characters ready to beatbox for you. So you can see those icons at the bottom of the screen. Each one represents a sound, like beats, melodies, or effects. You just have to drag and drop an icon on the character to activate the sound. Now you just have to mix and match icons to create your beat. So each character has their own unique role, so experiment with combinations to build your track. So here's the fun part. When you use specific combinations of sounds, you'll unlock bonuses like cool animations or pre-made tracks. So you just have to keep on experimenting to find them all. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!